Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve dropshipping scalability with Wholesale2B detailed guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Wholesale2B website and create an account. Once registered, log in to your account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Navigate to the products section to browse the extensive catalog. Select the niche or category that aligns with your business model. Use filters to narrow down product choices by criteria like price, shipping, and supplier ratings. Once you find a suitable product, click on it for more details. Analyze product descriptions, images, and reviews to ensure quality. Next, use the Add to Store feature to list the items on your e-commerce platform. Ensure that your store is integrated with Wholesale2B for seamless order processing. After adding products, optimize your listings with compelling descriptions and keywords. Utilize the bulk listing feature to save time and improve efficiency. Monitor inventory levels through Wholesale2B to avoid stock issues. Adjust pricing strategies by considering wholesale costs and competitor pricing. Focus on marketing your store through various channels to increase visibility. Leverage social media advertising to reach a broader audience. Consider email marketing to engage with existing customers and promote new products. Analyze sales data and customer feedback to make informed decisions on product offerings. Regularly update your product listings based on market trends and consumer preferences. Finally, keep communication lines open with suppliers for fast support and updates. Following these steps will help you improve scalability in your dropshipping business with Wholesale2B. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.